How to delete or remove the duplicate photos on iPhone. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is make sure that you are running the iOS 16 or later. Then scroll towards the bottom to the utilities section and tap on the duplicates inside your photos, and note that you will see the number of duplicates you have on the right side. Now all you have to do is review the sets of duplicates. You will see the most recent at the bottom. If recently taken photos are not included, then that's probably because they have not been processed yet. Select Merge on the right to combine a set of duplicate photos. Note that you can tap a photo in the group to see a larger view first if you like it. Confirm that you want to merge the pictures by tapping Merge X Exact Copies or Merge X Items. Once you clear duplicate photos on iPhone using the duplicate feature, the removed items are placed in the recently deleted folder in the Photos app. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.